how you can fix iPhone charging but battery percent not increasing problem in your iPhone. Now before I teach you guys how to fix this, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your settings and go to batteries. Now to go to batteries, just scroll down in your settings and open batteries. Now right there you will see all of the battery settings, and just check your battery settings. Just check your battery health, tap on battery health and charging, make sure that you've turned on optimized battery charging, and make sure that your maximum capacity is above 80%. Now that's your battery health, guys. And after you turned on optimized battery charging, just go back and you might want to clean your charging port. Now if there are some debris in your charging port, this problem occurs. So make sure that you clean your charging port nicely, and after you do that, you'll have to restart your iPhone. Now just restart your iPhone, and after you restart your iPhone, try to charge your iPhone again and see if the problem is there. If the problem is still there, it might be a hardware issue, so you might want to get it checked and repaired. And that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.